Please help. I was divorced from my spouse, but I found out that my spouse had actually hid a substantial amount of income or assets. However, the divorce was already finalized. Is there anything else I can do about that? It's just not fair. Hi, I'm Sergio Cabanas, attorney at law here in Florida, and today we'll be discussing a little bit about what happens if your ex-spouse had committed some kind of fraud by hiding their assets or income during the divorce process. Actually, it is possible to reopen your divorce case and reevaluate the terms and conditions of that divorce case to ensure that all of the assets and income are properly accounted for in that divorce. As a general rule, there are 3 factors to consider whether or not your case is eligible to be reopened. The first one is that the asset or the income has to be substantial in value. The court's very reluctant to reopen a case to simply reevaluate and upset the entire apple cart that was already settled to take into account a minor issue or a minor asset. The second factor we considered is whether that substantial income or asset actually existed at the time of the divorce. And the third factor, of course, is whether or not your spouse ever disclosed any information relating to that income or asset. If these factors apply to your case, then it is possible to reopen your divorce case and potentially redistribute these assets, changing the terms and conditions of your divorce in a more fair and equitable manner for you. Of course, like anything else, a lot depends on the specific circumstances of each case, and that is why you should consult with an experienced, knowledgeable attorney. I hope this short video provided you some guidance on how to handle this very important topic. Thank you again for watching, and as always, stay informed so you can stay strong.